Welcome back. Rare photo and book exhibition on ancient Goa was inaugurated by Power Minister Milind Naik at Vasco on Friday. The exhibition would be open for public for 3 days. Department of Printing and Stationery has organized this rare photo and book exhibition at tourist residency at Vasco.
Department of Printing and Stationery has organized rare photo exhibition of ancient Goa at tourist residency in Vasco. Power Minister Milind Naik says that the rare photos displayed in the exhibition reminds the history of Goa.
फर्स्ट थिंग म्हणल्यार सगळे फोटोज ओल्ड जर पळयल्या म्हाका न्ही म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक मनशाक दिसतालें की आमी पयलीं आसले तशें आसपाक जाय जे प्रमाणे ते फोटो पळयले ते ट्रेडिशनल सगळे ड्रेसीस तेन्नाचे रावपाची पद्दत आनी आतां आमी म्हणटा आमी सगळे हें जाला पूण ती पद्दत आसली ती कोणूय आतांचे मनीस पयलीं बरे आसले म्हणटाले तो सगळो उडात येता पूण आतां इतलें डेवलपमेंट जाल्या उपरांत तें सगळें पळोवपाक मेळना वायट दिसता पळोवपाक आमी सोदून हाडटाय मानपाचो आमच्या सावथाच्या कलेक्टराक की ताणें हे सगळे बुक्स काडून आयज तें एक्झिबिशन दवरलां आनी तो दाखोवंक सोदता की एक्झिबिशनाचेर आमी पयलीं ज्या लोकांचे उगडास करपाक जाय पयलीं आमी कशे आसले ते उगडास करपाक जाय आनी तें सगळ्यान इम्पॉर्टंट आहा.
Director of Printing and Stationery N.D. Agarwal says that aim of the photo exhibition is to preserve the memories of the past so that people come to know about the history of the state. The photographs displayed can also be purchased by the people.
See, motivate exhibition, whatever is in the books and remain in the cupboard, it has to reach to the citizens. So otherwise the paper, as you know, is century old, going to destroy time to time. So we have just tried to reconstitute it and bring to the citizen to know what is their past.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar, in true sporting spirit, had some words of encouragement to all Sports Authority of Goa coaches. At the same time, had some tough words as well. The newly appointed Sports Minister met all of the State Association coaches and technical staff at the Secretariat on Friday morning. Tavadkar told the coaches, be proactive and you will be duly rewarded, but underperform and you will be dealt with.
Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar had all SAG coaches on their toes when he laid down his style of working.
की जे कोचीस काम करता तांकां एनकरेजमेंट तांची शाबासकी तांकां जे ज्या तांचे ज्यो गोष्टी करपाक जाय त्यो फुडले काळान निश्चित जातल्यो खंयच्याच बऱ्या कोचाचेर अन्याय जावपाक दिवचो ना की ताकाय बरी पडटली इतलें लक्षांत दवरपाक तो दोगूय काम करतना कारण हांव प्रत्यक्षान फिल्डाचेर आसलो हांव फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचर हांव जरी मिनिस्टर जालो जाल्यार सुद्दां हांव फिल्डाचेर आसा लक्षांत दवरता काम करपाक नासत जर जायत न्ही ताणें ह्या क्षेत्रांतल्यान कुशी वचची कृपया करून कारण एक ह्या क्षेत्रांतले कलंक न्ही तो नाजाल्यार कितें जातलें एखादो बरो मनीस काम करता आनी पगार तितलोच घेता आनी एखादो जर काम करिनासतना जर पगार घेता जर जायत न्ही मग अशें क्षेत्र अशें आमचे हातूंत स्पोर्ट्सांत अशें लोक आमकां परवडचें ना.
A 5-year plan would be devised to boost all sports in the state.
एक मास्टर प्लॅन आसा न्ही फुडल्या 5 वर्सांक आमी कितें करपाक जाय ही गेम डेव्हलप जातली किंवा ह्या गेमींतल्यान टॅलंट जर वेवस्थीत जर आमी जशें मेडल घेवपाक आमी गर्वान दाखयतले जाल्यार आमी कितें करपाक जाय.
In a shocking revelation, it is learned Goa does not have the host city contract of Lusofnia Games 2013. However, Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, Elvis Gomes, says the implications of the absence of the contract are not serious. Elvis told Prudent the work on the venues for the games will be seen in a few days' time. Elvis Gomes is also critical on the lack of works carried out thus far, and a few protocols would be bypassed to achieve speedy completion.
The formal agreements are not on record. I found out that they have not been signed. But the implication of that is not too serious in my opinion, because once a commitment is given, at the level of the state government, we are committed to honor that. And that has been the stand of the new government also. Now what happens when there is a formal agreement, certain clauses are there in the agreement which are required to be complied with. What will happen is, formally there may not be compliance, like we may have already defaulted on the dates, the accomplishment of certain facilities and that kind of thing has not gone. But in the absence of agreement, what suffers is only there.
But in terms of infrastructure work, when can we actually see the work starting on these venues?
See, behind the scenes we have been working. It may not be perceptible right now, but definitely work is going on because there's a lot of paperwork that needs to be done. One fact is that nothing has happened, so we have to move. It's not that everybody is quiet about it. It is happening. What will be visible will be manifest in the days to come. Yes, obviously, because when time constraints are there, we have to break formalism and bypass certain channels. But within the parameters that permit us, it's not that we are going to be so extravagant or something like that. Within the parameters, we will have to break some sort of protocols here and there. Like I have told the coaches.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pendekar.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.